Do you know you can create a temporary chat on Chat GPT? You can create a temporary chat whereby you ask Chat GPT a question or you made a research, and after you leave the page, you won't be able to see that page again. Now, this happens when maybe you picked someone's phone, maybe your friend's phone somewhere, and you want to research about something, and you don't want that friend to go back to know what you researched about. So you are just doing it for the meantime. You want to research something and you don't want this particular person to know what you researched about. So all you need to do is, once you open ChatGPT, of course you know that for everything you researched, there is the list here, even though you can delete if you want. So but everything you research, there is list here, and you can trace what someone researched about in your Chat GPT. But this particular one, I'll be teaching you how to use the temporal aspect of it, so that when next you need someone's device to research something, those people won't go back to see what you researched about. Now see what you will do. Once you open up, just click on this particular icon. Can you see that? So you tap on this particular icon and you can see this chat won't appear in history. Can you see? Use or update ChatGPT's memory, or be used to train or models. So this is just for safety. So let's ask, what is affiliate marketing, right? Let's just say we want to ask, what is affiliate marketing? And of course, as you can see, affiliate marketing is a way to earn money, by promoting someone. So all of these things now, on a norm, once I tap on these parallel lines here, I will be seeing what is affiliate marketing as the subheadings here. But as you can see, this is not showing here because this is a temporal chart. So, and even if we leave this chart to other charts now, if you come back here, you won't see it in the list. That is to tell you that even if you had used someone's device to check this, that person will come back and will never found what you checked. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, as I will keep bringing to you updates on text, tutorial, AI, and everything you need to know to stay updated. See you on the next one.